Bicolandia, we are now down to our third game this afternoon. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. At ngayong hapon pong ito, makakasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para maghatid po sa inyo ng magandang laban ngayong hapon na ito.
So another match to watch para dito sa hapon na ito. It's between the Annunciation Panthers and the Adnu Golden Knights na talaga namang gustong manalo or makakuha ng panalo this afternoon. So yan ang aabangan ng mga Golden Knights fan and of course ng Panthers side. So pag-usapan natin ang dalawang kupunan na ito. This is the second round of elimination and I'm sure uhaw na uhaw sa panalo ang dalawang kupunan na ito. Ano ang masasabi mo dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers and on the Ateneo Golden Knights?
Ayan nga Rick, pareho itong ating Annunciation and Ateneo dito sa ating Division 1. Meron na po silang parehong dalawang panalo at 6 na talo. Kung kaya naman parehas yung standing nila ngayon. Kaya naman ngayong hapon na to makikita natin kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng kanilang pangatlong panalo ngayong hapon.
So it's a big day for both teams. Makikita natin kung sino ang makakakuha ng pangatlong panalo this afternoon and it's very crucial for these both teams if they want to finish with high-end dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Kailangan talagang pag-igihan dito. Medyo marami pa naman ang ating aabangan na mga laban. But let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran this afternoon. Yan ang aabangan natin team dito sa araw na ito. So ayan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Bigs, Havaianas. Thank you so much po and gusto rin naming pasalamatan ang mga tao kahit paunti-unti dito sa loob ng Ateneo Golden Knights na talaga namang gustong makita ang bakbakan, muling bakbakan ng ating Panthers and Ateneo Golden Knights. And I think naghahanda na dito ang dalawang kupunan as we can see on our screen. Ang ating officials talaga namang ready na para dito sa bakbakang Panthers and Golden Knights. And I think handang-handa na ang courtside reporter on the side of Panthers. Let's call Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bicolandia at sa lahat na nakatutok pa rin sa atin. Live at One Media, TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third game today. Ako po, si Kyla Casulia at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of Annunciation Panthers Juniors. After winning against the defending champion, ACC Junior Green Serpents, they are now eager na dire-diretsohin ang kanilang panalo. After winning diretso training at hindi pwedeng maging komportable dahil lang sa natalo ang defending champion. Dapat patuloy na mag-stick sa system at sa game plan na sinet ni Coach Evan. Nahirapan man sa unang round pero handa silang bumawi against the Junior Golden Knights. Marami man ang crowd ng kalaban pero patuloy na pinapaalala ni Coach Evan na wag maging ma-pressure. Ibigay ang lahat, enjoy the game and always have the fighting spirit. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Panthers. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much Kyla. Yan nga dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Nakuha nila yung panalo against the ACC Green Serpents. At ngayong hapon na to sa pakipagtapatan sa Ateneo Golden Knights, gusto din nilang makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito with a standing. At abangan nga natin yan as we're starting this first quarter. At para makikita yung update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Good afternoon, Rick and Teen, and hello, Bicolandia. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas at ako pong muli ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Be prepared since their last game against the Panthers for the first round was neck and neck ending in favor of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights at nawala man ang ilan sa mga key players this second round. Ngunit hindi yun magiging hadlang para ipakita ang kanilang tibay galing sa larangan ng basketball. Kaya naman let's see kung makukuha kanilang muli ang panalo for the second round. So stay tuned to our Bucal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So Ateneo Golden Knights, their mission is to win this match against the Annunciation Panthers. Again, nasabi ko kanina, it's very crucial for these both teams na gusto nilang madagdagan ang kanilang winning streak dito sa Bucal Season 6. Yan ang aabangan natin. Now, Annunciation Panthers, maaagawan dito ng bola.
Now, jersey number 14 on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Get that basket. Ito kaya yung unang puntos ng Golden Knights dito sa ating first quarter. Now, is the ball possession of the Panthers. Now, jersey number 81 with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Passes to Esquilona. Esquilona now tries. No good.
Great defense on the side of the Golden Knights. Hawak na lang ngayon ang bola. Jersey number 14. Looking for his teammate. So
Jersey number 2 getting that basket again. And the courtesy of Bautista. Now, ano yung gagawin dito ng Annunciation Panthers? Dumasyan. Tries. Medyo nahihirapan dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers, but with that defensive rebound, wala pa rin. Another chance for the Panthers here. 10 seconds to shoot. That's a double dribble. Turnover para dito sa side ng ating Golden Knights.
now the Annunciation Panthers are having difficulties when it comes to their offense and good defense. Pinapakita ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights forcing this Annunciation Panthers to commit error. Now Bautista choosing jersey number 2. Number 6 rather. Now jersey number 5. In and out ball. Offensive rebound. Agawan dito ng bola. And successfully makukuha dito ni Diaz on the side of the Panthers.
Now, a whistled foul here. Foul. Jersey number 18. Dumasyan will be on the free throw line. 7 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. And of course, yung mga supporters ng ating Annunciation Panthers, todo suporta din dito sa ating Panthers via live coverage of the Bucal University and Colleges Athletic League Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV. Kaya comment lang po kayo dahil mamaya-maya po ay isa-shoutout namin kayo. Now, Dumasyan. Second free throw was good. Now Ateneo on the offense. Abyog now. Passes here to Bautista. Back to Abyog. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, Yap. 4 seconds. Anong gagawin dito ng Golden Knights? Tries to go inside. No good. Dumasyan. Pero, nakuha muli yan ng Golden Knights. Abyog one more time. No good. Esquilona without rebound. No, kailangan ng gumawa dito ng paraan ng Annunciation Panthers. Pero, an 8 seconds violation. A lot of turnovers here dito sa ating first quarter pa lamang para dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Golden Knights with a 3-point lead here. Yap passes to Bautista. Down to 9 seconds. Jersey number 14 now with the ball. Now let's see. Mauubusan na ng oras. Panthers now on the offense. Esquilona. Anong gagawin dito ng Panthers with that defense of the Golden Knights? Pass on the inside. Who's it?
Chance for the Golden Knights here to add their score. Mid-range jumper was good para doon sa last sequence na yon. Now, napakagandang simula on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung ano bang gagawing pagbawi dito on the side of Panthers.
Now Detura passes to jersey number 17. No good. From the offense and defense, the Ateneo Golden Knights really prepared well here. Now tries for a 3-pointer. Abyog. And with that, mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers dahil sa sunod-sunod na pagpuntos nitong ating Golden Knights. Now, with 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining, 8 puntos po ang hawak ng Golden Knights na kalamangan dito against the Annunciation Panthers.
An early momentum ang hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. They are making sure na talagang hindi dito magkakaroon ng magandang play ang side ng Panthers. That's why napatawag ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan. Now 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng side ng Panthers? Kasi nakasalalay dito ang pang-apat nilang panalo. Pang-tatlo rather. If ever manalo sila against this Golden Knights. Vice versa on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights. So a very crucial matchup for these both teams.
Now as we go back on the ball game with an 8-point lead coming from the side of the Golden Knights after this timeout, what will be the possibilities on the side of the Annunciation Panthers? Dahil napakaganda nung opensa as well as the defense of the Golden Knights now. Now let's see as this is the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Can they add a score on their team now? Now Detura with the ball possession. 22 seconds to shoot here. Detura passes the jersey number 17 back to Detura. Tries for a three-pointer. Still no good here, but offensive rebound to Bashan. But a steal from the side of the Golden Knights here. Now jersey number 8 passes now on the inside. Pero loses it. Another turnover para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now Panthers with the ball possession. They need to have a score right now. Now 10 seconds to shoot for their team. What a great defense again. Pero offensive rebound para dito sa ating Panthers. Wala pa din. Nice steal coming from Abiog.
Now, Abiog with that defense of the Panthers gets it. Now they're taking their time here. But at halfway through our first quarter, medyo nahihirapan pa itong ating Annunciation Panthers dito. Now Dumashan stays on play. No good on that one. But a foul was whistled to Gobis. Now chance here for the Ateneo Golden Knights para mas mapahaba pa yung kalamangan na hawak nila dito. Now Belano. Pass here to jersey number 16. 17 seconds to shoot. Fusha. But a steal from the side of the Panthers here. At yun na nga, natigil yung napakagandang momentum sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights with 2 points coming from the Panthers.
Yun ang kailangan dito ng Annunciation Panthers. Now, Golden Knights on the offense right now. Magawa ng bola and another steal coming from the Panthers side. Chance for them again to get a score at para maibaba dito ang kalamangang hawak ng Ateneo. Diaz forcing that one and a whistle coming from our referee.
Ayan nga Rick, napaaga yung init ng ulo dito ng mga players. Kaya nga, Ateneo and Annunciation. Now, yes, the team captain will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. 3-9 on our scoreboard at 3 minutes and 32 seconds na lamang ang natitira natin dito. Now, Diaz for his first free throw. That's good. Now, let's see if they can add one more on the score of the Panthers here. No good on that second free throw. Now, Ateneo on the offense now. Sarmiento with the ball. The pass is on the corner here. Tries for 3. Bilano, no good. Detura with that rebound.
Good sign on the side of this Panthers. But traveling violation was called on their side. So wasted opportunity para dito sa Annunciation. Now low scoring pa rin tayo on our first quarter. 10-3 on our scoreboard and the lead is on the side of the Golden Knights. Great steal again para dito sa Panthers. And another beautiful point conversion. At mapapatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights kasi naibaba na sa 5 ang kanilang dapat protektahan na kalamangan dito sa ating natitirang 2 minutes and 54 seconds.
Yes, with the help of that last sequence coming from Balaoro. Now, talagang napatawag na nga itong Ateneo ng timeout dahil nasira nga nung Annunciation Panthers yung magandang depensa nila kanina on the early minutes of our first quarter. But now let's see if this will be the start of the momentum of the Annunciation Panthers. 4 na puntos yung kanilang hinahabol dito. 6-10 on our scoreboard. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining.
Ayan, shout out naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out dito kay Carmelo Grabata, kay Aljen Pogoy, Cristina Valenzuela, Karen K. Escaro, at kay Carla Calleja. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now we are back on the ballgame here. First quarter of the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now let's see. As the Ateneo on the offense, can they guard that 4-point lead of their team? Now jersey number 14 with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Passes on the inside. Outside, a 3-pointer coming from Bilano. Now, nung mga huling laro ditong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, Bilano is the standout player of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now let's see if he will be consistent here throughout the game of the Golden Knights.
What a great point conversion after that timeout para dito kay Belano on the side of the Golden Knights. But Diaz on the other side of things, stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity and first basket para doon sa attempt na yon. 12-7 on our scoreboard. Let's see dito sa pangalawang attempt ni Diaz. Magiging successful ba siya? And another clean basket for him.
Now just 4 points for the side of the Ateneo. Now Bilano again with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 14 now. Passes to Bilano. But that's a traveling violation. So a lost opportunity for their side here. And a chance para naman dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers to lessen that gap of the Golden Knights. Now Ditura. Back to Ditura here with 18 seconds to shoot. Goes inside, pass on the outside. Dumashan with the ball. Panthers nahihirapan dito. Passes para dito kay Dumashan. Pero hindi na ipasok because of that defense of Ateneo. Sarmiento to Habana. Foul there.
Free throw opportunity para sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan, pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, and NCF Wings. And again, this live is powered by Converge, FiberX. Now back to the ball game. So successful free throw shot para dito kay jersey number 18 on the side of this Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. 13-8. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now Balaoro forcing that one. Great steal coming from the Ateneo side at matatawagan pa nga ng foul ang kupunan ng Annunciation Panthers.
Now Ateneo, meron silang ibang players na wala dito sa loob. So it will be hard to convert a point here, but still they are doing a great job here. Amador with that fadeaway shot. Talagang hindi tumitigil itong ating Ateneo. to really give their all dito sa ating first quarter. But on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers struggling here with their offense. Amador with that rebound. Long pass here. Solomon. 57 seconds. And it will be a turnover for the side of the Panthers. Now, Rick, a quick shout out here to John Wayne Balbuena. Nagpapashoutout kay Cyril Ann at kay Sir RJ Rebedorial. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Now, let's see as the Annunciation Panthers on the offense now. Dumashan tries for a three-pointer. No good. But an offensive rebound coming from him. And the second chance point para dito sa ating Panthers. Now, 38 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Let's see with the Ateneo.
Nice adjustment on the defense para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers and nice point conversion. Napakagandang bawi on the side of their team. Now 19 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Ateneo on the offense.
14 seconds remaining here. 12:15 on our scoreboard. Sarmiento to try. Talagang hindi nito iniiwanan yung 5 puntos na kalamangan against the Panthers. Now, 1 second remaining, manlapas. At naubos na nga po ang oras sa ating unang quarter. 12-17 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We will be back for our second quarter only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Adnu Gymnasium for our second quarter. Again, matchup between the Panthers and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. 17-12 ang ating iniwang score in that first quarter. And what a great run on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights, securing that 5-point lead. Let's see dito sa ating second quarter kung patuloy bang aarangkada ang kanilang kupunan. Or will the Annunciation Panthers find their groove at para makabawi dito sa ating larong ito.
At ayan nga rin, kahit ang daming players na medyo hindi dito makakapaglaro sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, pero itong mga natitirang players talagang ginagawa nila yung lahat to really give their all. At ngayon nga makikita natin yung effort na binibigay nila dito with that 5-point lead against the Annunciation Panthers. At dito nga sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter, the Panthers still struggling. But let's see kung ano nga bang gagawin dito ng Annunciation Panthers to change their path. Now, whistle foul. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 now on the free throw line, Bautista. First free throw was good. Now let's see on that second free throw. Now a quick shout out para dito sa ating live viewers sa ating Aragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Shoutout kay Paulo Limchanco at kay Kimberly Alanes. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkantabay. Now, Annunciation Panthers on the offense. Maru. Let's see what will be the changes on the side of the Annunciation Panthers after the first quarter. Nakita natin yung hirap na opensa ng Annunciation Panthers. Now let's see if they can do something about this. Esquilona, easy to coming from him. At ito nga ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights dito sa ating second quarter. Napakaganda pa rin ng pagpasok ng quarter na ito para sa kanila. But let's see if they can be consistently do a point here and a great offense as well as defense para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And to hear an update from their side, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, balikan natin yan.
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. The first quarter has been a roller coaster of emotion. The Ateneo Junior Golden Knights preparation is already tested. Kahit na nawala ang ilan sa kanilang mga key players during the huddle nga, Coach Mac keep reminding the team to always stick to their roles at panatilihin lang ang kanilang opensa at depensa na kanilang ipinapakita para dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng Ateneo. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So Ateneo Golden Knights, they need to be consistent right now. Sa ating pangalawang quarter, alam naman natin na hawak nila ang momentum at this moment. But let's see kung mayroon bang magiging consistency para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now, great steal para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Bautista itatawid ang bola. Passing the ball to his teammate. Heavily guarded here and nice steal para dito sa Panthers. Balaoro goes inside but a whistle coming from our referee. 2 free throw shots will be given on the side of Annunciation Panthers. And to hear on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter para makahingi ng update sa side ng Panthers. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Since there are lapses that are committed last quarter, Coach Evan reminded the team to lessen their dribble and turnovers. Dagdagan ng efforts sa rebound at sa box out. Nahirapan mang dumepensa nung una pero ginawa nila ang lahat para maibaba ang kalamangan. Coach Evan reminds them na bumawi at gawin ang lahat para hindi na lumaki ang lamang ng Junior Golden Knights. Kailangan ng double focus at wag na wag magpapadala sa pressure at dagdagan ang kanilang depensa for this quarter. Yan muna ang update sa ng Panthers. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Chi.
Thank you so much, Carla. Ayan, magpapadala sa pressure itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Dahil kung makikita natin ngayon, 6 na puntos na po ang hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero napakagandang play galing dito kay Bautista. Now, let's see with that quick replay on what really happened. Bautista against Esquilona. Basket count with a foul. Napakaganda nun. Now, this is a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Bautista to widen that gap against the Panthers. 16-24. Bautista make it 25 on their side. That's good. Now let's see what will be the changes on the side of the Panthers. Ngayon na medyo lumalaki na yung kalamangan na hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Great steal coming from Abiog. Now Bautista nagmamadali, goes inside, but this time hindi makakapasok ang attempt na yon. But foul was committed on the side of the Panthers.
Now back on the free throw line itong si Bautista. 7 minutes and 9 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. First free throw was good, extending the lead by 10. Biggest gap para dito sa laban ng Ateneo and Annunciation. Now for the second free throw of Bautista.
Two shots was good para dito kay Bautista. Umiinat dito si Bautista on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Balaoro, may hawak ng bola, passing the ball to Dumasian. No good on the 3-point attempt. Another great steal coming from Abiog. Now Ateneo Golden Knights on a run here. Bautista may hawak ng bola, forcing that one and another point conversion para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang umaarangkada at mainit na mainit ang ating Golden Knights at this moment.
And Rick Bautista yung gumagawa dito sa ating second quarter on the side of the Ateneo. Napakaganda ng depensa. Talaga kahit medyo maliit siya aside for the players of the Annunciation Panthers, talagang tuloy-tuloy yung pagpasok niya and a lot of opportunities was given to him. Now let's see with their ball possession here. Solomon. Bantay sarado, but that ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
So chance for the Panthers here to chase and cut the lead na hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 6 minutes and 11 seconds remaining for our first half. And now, jersey number 30 to inbound. Hatchazo. Heavily guarded here by Belano. Fires for that 3. Wala pa din para dito sa Panthers. They are having difficulties when it comes to their offense. Now, Abiog finding his teammate. Solomon on that 3-point attempt. No good.
Now let's see. The Annunciation Panthers kailangan na makagawa dito ng puntos. But another traveling violation was committed by Diaz. Ang dami ng opportunity na nawawala dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers, but the game still on. Kaya naman ang dami pang pagkakataon dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers para bawiin yung napakalaking kalamangan ng Golden Knights. Now Solomon, steal from the side of the Panthers. Hatchazo getting it.
Yun ang kailangan dito ng ating Panthers, ang magkaroon ng point conversion. 9-point lead, hawak ng Golden Knights. No good on that attempt. And now, ball possession will go on the side of the Panthers. Now, Panthers, no room for error at this moment. Maru passing the ball to his teammate.
Now another, yes, got that ball. Still no good on the offense of the Panthers here. Pero itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, patuloy pa rin yung kanilang magandang depensa dito against the Panthers. Now let's see, Belano passes here to Yap. Back on the other side, tries for a 3-pointer, no good. Hatchazo with that rebound. Maru loses it. Still from the side on the Golden Knights here. Yap passes to Belano. But the ball will stay on their side here. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Still a 9-point lead yung hawak dito ng ating Golden Knights.
Substitution on the side of Golden Knights. It's their ball possession. Abiog to inbound. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Naumaro on that rebound para dito sa ating laro. But a wasted opportunity again para sa Panthers. Chance for the Golden Knights to add their score here.
Now we're stuck on 20-29. Golden Knights on the offense. Now Belano pass to Abiog. Back to Belano for a long 3 here. That's good. Belano making his name loud this afternoon. Now let's see on that another replay. What a good 3-pointer coming from Belano. Dahil dyan napatawag nga na timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Because at this moment, 12 points na po. Pinakamalaking kalamangan na since the first quarter na nandito na tayo sa second quarter. Itong ating Annunciation Panthers, hindi pa rin nahahanap yung magandang gameplay nila dito against the Ateneo Golden Knights. So let's see with that remaining time dito sa ating second quarter kung ano pa nga ba yung maipapakita dito ng Annunciation Panthers. And kung gusto talaga nilang humabol, kailangan gawin na nila ngayon para maging maganda yung momentum nila during the early of third quarter.
Now, Panthers, kailangan na ditong magising para sa ating 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Because again, Ateneo Golden Knights talagang ayaw patinag para dito sa araw na ito, and we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Ateneo fans na nasa loob ng Adnu Gymnasium, and even I think parents ng mga players on the side of the Golden Knights na talaga namang full support dito para sa araw na ito. Now, Maru to inbound on the side of Panthers.
At hindi lang yan, Rick, yung mga supporters naman ng ating Annunciation Panthers ay patuloy na nanonood sa atin dito sa ating live coverage. Kaya happy watching po sa inyong lahat. Now, Ditura passes here on the outside for a three-pointer. In and out ball. Up until now, the Panthers still struggling on the offense. 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Ball possession na ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ano pa kaya yung gagawin nila dito to extend their lead? Now, Abyog passes to Bilano. Bilano with the ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock here. Turnover para dito sa Panthers. Now, Detura with the ball. 14 seconds. Now tries again for 3. This time, papasok na yan with the help of Acbsui.
Now Golden Knights on the offense. Abyog looking for his teammate. Foul was called on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. They are now on the penalty side para dito sa ating second quarter match now. Free throw shot para dito sa Golden Knights. First attempt was good.
Back to 10-point lead. Penalty na nga itong ating Annunciation Panthers. And Habana extending their lead here sa ating second quarter. Now let's see as the Annunciation Panthers with the ball possession. Detura, hindi pa natin nararamdaman yung ingay dito ni Detura. Tries for a three-pointer, wala pa rin. Now Golden Knights, babad na babad ang mga players. On their side, Habana for a second chance point, no good. Now, Acbsui gets it. Detura with the ball. 18 seconds. Passes dito kay Maru. Maru naman. An air ball. 2 minutes and 10. Bilano to Amador. Pero stepping on the line. And the timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights with a score of 23-34 in favor on their side. 2 minutes and 3 seconds na lamang po ang natitira natin dito. And up until now, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, hindi pa rin natin nakikita yung full potential dito sa kanilang match-up against the Ateneo Golden Knights na kailangan na talaga nilang ipakita ngayon na pareho sila ng standing ng Ateneo. So, titingnan natin kung sino nga ba ang makakapag-uwi ng kanilang pangatlong panalo ngayong hapon.
Ayan, shout out tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out kay Lesa Dichoso, Kirby Lance Tanyamor, Melchor Luares, Luis Alexander Lapid, at kay Janaila Basales. Thank you so much and happy watching. Now back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining for our first half. And still, hawak pa rin dito ng Golden Knights ang kalamangan. Ball possession ng Panthers. Chance for them to score. Again, nabanggit mo kanina na hindi pa talaga nakikita natin ang tunay na laro on the side of Panthers. Let's see kung magigising na ba ang kanilang mga diwa dito. But, traveling violation was called on Diaz. Para doon sa last sequence na yon, another wasted opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan. Now Belano, itatawid ang bola, choosing Solomon. This time, may hawak ng bola para sa Golden Knights. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights. No good. Wala pa rin dito. Out of bounds ball, so the ball possession will go on the side of Panthers.
Now, Panthers needs to double here. Dahil hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin maganda yung performance na pinapakita nila dito from the offense as well as the defense. Pero traveling violation committed on the side of the Ateneo. So this time, kailangan ng ang dami ng opportunity actually para dito sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. So they need a good execution here. A minute and 15 seconds remaining.
Panthers needs to maximize those opportunity now. It's their ball possession. Gobbies fires for that. No good. Substitution para dito sa Golden Knights. Ball possession ulit ng Panthers. Balaoro to inbound.
Now Hutchison. 10 seconds to shoot. Ditura. The steal from the side of the Golden Knights here. Solomon. Now Bautista heavily guarded here. Sarmiento to Solomon. No good. The Mashan without rebound. Last 46 seconds of the first half of this matchup. Ditura passes to Gomez. Gomez tries. And now Solomon with that easy layup. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito dahil poor offense talaga yung pinapakita ng ating Annunciation Panthers kahit libreng-libre na dito. Now 19 seconds, 14 seconds on the shot clock on the side of the Panthers here. Again, another steal from their side. Yup. More an easy two. 23-38, biggest gap of the game here. Now 3 seconds remaining. Balaoro releases a three. That's good. What a good way to end on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now ito yung kailangan na kailangan nila eh. Balaoro having that three-pointer. At marami pa tayong matutuklasan ng mga three-pointers and good offense. Dito lang yan sa laro ng Ateneo and Annunciation Panthers pagbalik po ng Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation College.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our second half. Again, Ateneo Golden Knights ang may hawak ng kalamangan. No good on that attempt. Let's see kung makakabawi na dito ang Annunciation Panthers. Second chance point was good para dito sa Panthers. Kailangang ituloy-tuloy dito ng Panthers ang mga ganoong plays if they want to chase that lead na hawak ng Golden Knights. Solomon looking for his teammate. Now Abiog to Solomon. Fires for that three. No good. Offensive rebound para sa Golden Knights. Now, whistle coming from our referee. So, 2 shots will be given para dito kay Balaoro on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. First attempt was good.
Now, let's see. Dito sa ating third quarter, yung ating Annunciation Panthers, napakadaming turnovers yung kanilang naitala during the first half of the game. So, at this point, they need to lessen that and to really convert a point here. Dahil itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, they can easily get that lead. Pero as we can see right now, naibaba nga po sa 8 ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Palaoro with that rebound. Now let's see if the momentum of the Panthers continues dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Abiog. Pero para pakinggan kung ano yung gagawin dito sa ating second half ng Annunciation Panthers, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita natin dyan?
Well, Tin and Rick, as we head into the second half of the game, during the second quarter huddle nga, Coach Mac commended the consistency of the good offense that they are showing. Also, Coach Mac commended the consistency of each player's effort dahil halos lahat ay nagko-contribute at panatilihin lang ang momentum. Ipagpatuloy ang magandang communication para mapanatili ang kalamangan, not letting the Panthers na makapuntos. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, Ateneo Golden Knights are well synced at this moment. Talagang in sync lahat ng players dito sa loob ng court sa side ng Adnu. Golden Knights talagang pinapakita nila dito na gusto nilang makuha ang kanilang pangatlong panalo sa araw na ito. Now, consistency is the key according to Coach Mac. So let's see kung magiging ganoon ba ang play nitong Ateneo Golden Knights. Yan ang aabangan natin. Now, ball possession ng kanilang kupunan. Abiog heavily guarded here. Passing the ball to Bautista. No good on that 3-point attempt, but the second chance point coming from Solomon. Again, what a great chemistry inside the court para dito sa Adnu Golden Knights. Talagang sabi nga kanina ni Shen on her report, napakagandang communication ang pinapamalas dito ng Golden Knights. But on the other side of things, alamin natin kung ano ang gagawing adjustment ng side ng Panthers. Kyla, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Chino. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup during the huddle. Paalala ni Coach Evan, kailangan nilang bawasan ang kanilang turnovers dahil nga nadadala sila sa pressure na binibigay ng kalaban. They need to have a good ball pass dahil nga marami ang kanilang naitatalang lapses dito sa matchup na ito. Kailangan nila ng double effort dahil lumalaki na ang lamang ng kalabang. At ang huling paalala ni Coach Evan, kailangan nilang gawin lahat para makahabol at makabawi sa score na pinapakita ng Golden Knights. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. At ayun nga, napag-usapan na nga natin kanina during the halftime analysis of the Annunciation and the Ateneo. A lot of turnovers was committed on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. At ito nga yung kailangan nilang bawasan to have a good gameplay here against the Ateneo. Now let's see here with a 10-point lead. Can they lessen that? Detura with the ball. But a foul was whistled here to jersey number 16, Botor. 14 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, another steal from the side of the Golden Knights here. We're almost halfway through our third quarter. Amador passes to Bilano. Bilano fires for 3. That's good. A clean basket coming from him. Extending their lead again here on the third quarter of this matchup. Now Diaz with the ball. Passes on the inside here to Esquilona. No good. Second chance. Esquilona was there to get that point. No. 34-45. 11-point lead of the Ateneo.
Ateneo basketball. Belano, itatawid ang bola. Passing the ball to his teammate. 15 seconds to shoot. No good on that attempt. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Panthers. Now, Panthers with the ball possession. Malaoro passing the ball to his teammate. Fires for that three, no good. Now, chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Jersey number 12 looking for his teammate, Belano. May hawak ng bola.
Now Belano passes here to Amador. Back to Sarmiento for a mid-range jumper, no good. Now, sensation on the offense. Gatura passes to Hachizo on the corner. Balaoro for three, no good. Now Sarmiento. 15 seconds. Amador. Pass to Belano. Belano again, same spot. No good this time.
Panthers with the ball possession. Detura talagang tahimik dito sa matchup na ito. Kailangan ditong mabuhayan ni Detura on the side of Panthers. Rebound on the side of the Golden Knights. Belano looking for his teammate. Taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot. Fires for that three, and this time, jersey number 16. Motor ang makakakuha ng 3 points. Grabe, talagang binibigyan tayo dito ng magandang opensa on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why napatawag ulit ng timeout ang kupunan ng Panthers. 48-34 an hour scoreboard, 3 minutes and 36 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter.
At ayan nga, Rick, kung kanina na ibaba na sa 8 yung kalamangan dito sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter, balik ulit sa napakalaking kalamangan itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights at talagang itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Let's see kung magagawan pa ba nila ng paraan yung mga turnovers na nakukommit nila dito. The gaps, the lapses, kailangan na nilang maayos dito as we are about to end our third quarter, and still we can see the momentum on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, and I really think ito din yung hinahanap ng kanilang mga supporters, because this is not the game that we want to see with the Annunciation Panthers. With the new players here, siguro dito sa ating elimination round, mahanap na nila yung kanilang connection with the new players of the Annunciation Panthers. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Now let's see here. Panthers on the offense. Detura loses it. Esquilona was there. Pero ayan, sumagot naman agad itong si Esquilona. Na isa din talaga sa gumagawa ng paraan dito to lessen that gap of the Golden Knights. Now, Botor. The foul was whistled.
Ayan, shoutout naman tayo Tits sa ating mga live audiences. Shoutout kay Lawrence Val Vergara, Winber Big Pass, Alexander Maru, Michiko Importante, Monterosa Team, Michiko Importante, at kay Erica De Lima. Happy watching po.
Two minutes and 51. Panthers on the penalty now. Amador for 2 free throws here. First free throw, no good. Now for the second free throw of Amador. With that 12-point lead of the Ateneo. Will it be 13? Still no good. Now, this is a good chance for the Panthers here. Detura. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass here to Balaoro. Heavily guarded. Still from the side of the Golden Knights here. Bautista. Now to jersey number 10. Botor. Pero ngayon, Panthers naman ang kukuha ng bola. Nagmamadali dito. Habana with that rebound. Bautista, this time a whistled foul.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating matchup. Sorry for the technical difficulty na nangyari dito sa ating live coverage. Now, nagbabalik po tayo sa bakbakang Annunciation Panthers and Ateneo Golden Knights. And that's it. That's the end of our third quarter. 48-40 na ibaba dito sa 8 ang dapat habulin ng side ng Panthers. Let's see sa pagbabalik natin for our fourth and final quarter kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here for the fourth quarter of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the Annunciation Panthers. Now, back to 8-point lead. Ngayon, yung pagkakataon, huling pagkakataon ng Annunciation Panthers para mas maipababa pa yung kanilang kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. But let's see if this will happen in a few minutes of our fourth quarter. Now, that will be the ball possession again of the Ateneo. 8-point lead. Abyog now, try. No good. Opportunity for the Panthers. Let's see. As Maru now approaching. No good on that one. Offensive rebound. Gobes. And that's good. Now, naibaba sa 6 na puntos. Kailangan pa nilang gumawa dito and to double their effort para mas maipababa pa yung kanilang kalamangan dito.
Now, Adnu Golden Knights, huwag dapat maging kampante dito kasi ang Annunciation Panthers paunti-unti nagkakaroon ng magandang momentum dito and right on cue, beautiful steal coming from their team and another point conversion. Si Coach Mac, ano kayang magiging adjustment on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights and nabanggit mga kanina tin on the side of Panthers? This is the moment na kailangan ng mag-step up dito ng Annunciation Panthers because this 8 minutes and 13 seconds, dito malalaman kung kanino mapupunta ang pangatlong panalo between these two teams because again, magkapareho po ng standing ang Ateneo Golden Knights and Annunciation Panthers. So, makikita natin maya-maya kung sinang makakakuha ng kanilang pangatlong panalo dito sa Bucal Season 6.
At ayan nga Rick, during the first, second, and third quarter, the Annunciation Panthers struggling on the offense. But now, pagpasok po ng ating fourth quarter, a good start for them. So they need to be consistent now. No room for complacency on their side if they really want to get this win against the Ateneo Golden Knights. At napakaganda lang ng pagbabalik ng momentum dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers dahil doon sa napakalaking kalamangan na hawak ng Ateneo. Ngayon, 4 na puntos na lamang po. Kaya yung kailangan gawin ngayon ng Panthers ay dobleng depensa yung kailangan nilang ipakita ngayon because this is the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights and we can see that as another ball possession on the side of the Panthers. Now, aside from the good defense, opensa yung kailangan pagtrabahuhan din dito ng ating Panthers. So, naging problema nila during the first quarters of the game here. Now, a 3-pointer! This is what we're talking about. Gomez having that big 3. A change of faith here dahil 1 puntos na lamang. Napakaganda ng ating pag-ikot dito ng laro ng Panthers at Ateneo.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, no room for complacency. Yan ang paulit-ulit dito ang pinapaalala on the side of their team because right now, 1-point lead na lamang po everyone ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. So again, the Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangang ibalik dito yung hot hands ni Bautista together with Belano on the 3 points. And of course, magandang opensa and depensa para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights to make sure na hindi dito makakalamang ang Panthers. Let's see kung magkakaroon sila ng point conversion. Now, Bautista, maaagawan nga dito ng bola and foul was committed by Bautista on that last sequence. So again, chance ulit dito ng Panthers. It's either makakalamang na dito ang kanilang kupunan or masasayang ulit ang opportunity on their side. So again, no room for error for this Panther side. Detura looking for his teammate. Gobes for that long 3. No good. Belano nagmamadali on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. What a great pass para doon sa last sequence na yon. So Ateneo Golden Knights ulit with that point conversion, 50-47 on our scoreboard.
Now, di kailangan ng madali dito ng Panthers kailangan maging kalmado lang kasi yung nangyayari dito, na-excite sila doon sa lapit ng puntos na meron sila against the Ateneo to the point na hindi na nagiging maganda yung kanilang gameplay. So just calm down. At talagang yung mga ball possession na meron sila ay talagang kailangan ready at sure sila na maipapasok yon at maidadagdag sa kanilang puntos. Now let's see here as the Ateneo Golden Knights, but still from the side of the Panthers. Now Dituro again, nagmamadali, tries with that layup, and that's good. Back to 1 point lead here, or 1 point gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We're almost halfway through our last quarter here. Now Amador. Grabe yung depensa ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe, this is the moment we've been waiting for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So if you're on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan ditong maganda ang depensa kasi paunti-unti nagkakaroon ng magandang run and momentum dito ang Panthers. 50-49 on our scoreboard. But right now, ball possession ng Golden Knights. Chance for their team to add their score and lead here sa ating natitirang 5 minutes and 51 seconds. Now Belano looking for his teammate. And a foul was committed by jersey number 28 Baro on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. That's why Ateneo Golden Knights will be having 2 shots para dito sa ating laro. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights back to 2-point lead. Napakagandang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan. Dagdagan pa ng isa. So 2 shots. Successful para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights now. Annunciation Panthers on the offense right now. Now, another foul committed on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Very crucial at this moment because again, nagkakaroon na nga sila ng mini runs here. They need to lessen their error and turn over at this moment. So another clean basket para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Balik dito sa 4 na kalamangan ng hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now Panthers, Maru releases the 3. That's good. Now they need to continue that. Now nagkakapusikalan na dito. Umiinit na din yung laban at umiinit na din yung ulo ng ating mga players. Now Gobis matatawagan dyan ng unsportsmanlike foul.
So unsportsmanlike foul was called on Gobis on that last sequence. That's why nagkaroon ng free throw opportunity dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. So again, intense game between the Golden Knights and the Panthers at this moment. What a great steal! But great block para dito kay Belano. So the ball possession will go on the side of Golden Knights. Wow! Grabe ang matchup nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. Jersey number 5, Tobelano. 15 seconds to shoot. What a great steal again. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Belano may hawak ng bola. Solomon heavily guarded here. 3 seconds to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights. And shot clock violation para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. What a tight defense for both teams. Talagang ang dalawang kupunan na ito, pinapakitaan tayo na magandang bakbakan para sa araw na ito. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. 54-52 on our scoreboard. And now, ang Ateneo Golden Knights talagang ayaw pahabulin dito ang Panthers, but Maru goes inside. What a great block again. And I think ready na mag-report ang side ng Panthers. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jean. We are now on the fourth quarter of this matchup. Nahirapan manuuna dahil sa pinapakitang aggressiveness ng kalaban. Pero di sila bumitaw, kaya naman naibaba nila ang kalamangan. Their teammates and coaches remind them na kailangan lang sumabay dito at i-execute ng maayos ang game plan and system. Paalala ni Coach Evan, huwag na huwag magpapadala sa pressure ng crowd at sa kalamangan na meron ng kalaban. Kailangan nga nila dito gawin lahat na sinasabi ni Coach para mapa sa kanila ang advantage for the last quarter of the game. They need to play some harder this time. And muna acting for now, back to you, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, kitang-kita natin yung pagbabago sa momentum ng ating Annunciation Panthers dito sa ating kalagitnaan ng ating fourth quarter. And that's a good change on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. They need to continue that dahil isang puntos lamang po yung kanilang hinahabol dito. Kailangan ng magandang opensa as well as the defense. But on the other side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan pa rin nilang panghawakan yung kanilang kalamangan dito against the Panthers. And to hear an update, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, update natin dyan.
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now on the last quarter of the game. Kailangan ngayon ng Ateneo na panatilihin ang effort na ang kanilang ginagawa at huwag nang sayangin pa ang pinaghirapang puntos para dito sa natitirang last quarter dahil unti-unti na nga nakakahabol ang Panthers. Trabahuhin, stay aggressive and finish this game strong. Sigaw ng Golden Knights during the huddle. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng Ateneo. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, an intense fight between the Golden Knights and Panthers. And yun nga, sabi dito ni Chen, Ateneo Golden Knights need to double their effort because these Panthers, kitang-kita ngayon sa ating fourth quarter na talaga namang they are eager and willing to snatch this game sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 1 point behind para dito sa ating lalong ito. What will the Ateneo Golden Knights do para maprotektahan at makuha ang kanilang pangatlong panalo? At this moment, yan ang aabangan natin dito sa matchup na ito. Now, Ateneo stepping on that free throw opportunity, but unfortunately, walang pumasok doon sa dalawang attempt na yon ni Abiog. Now, Detura and the rest of this Panthers team, pag nakakuha ng magandang play dito ang kanilang kupunan, baka silang makakuha ng kalamangan, but Ateneo on that rebound.
Pero yan nga rin, katulad nung nangyari kahapon doon sa ating NCF ACLC na nakuha ng NCF Tigers yung malaking kalamangan nila during the first half. Pero bumawi itong ating ACLC host at nakuha yung panalo. But at this moment, at this point, the Annunciation Panthers kept the lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Mangyayari ba yun ngayong hapon na ito na during the first half of the game nakuha ng Ateneo yung magandang momentum, pero yung Annunciation Panthers yung uuwing panalo, pero abiyog take it away from the side of the Annunciation Panthers with a 3-pointer. Kaya balik sa kanila yung 2 puntos na kalamangan.
Ayan, Tin, mukhang narinig tayo dito ni Abiog on that last sequence. Talagang hindi dito papayag ang Ateneo Golden Knights na makuha sa kanila ang kanilang pangatlong panalo. Nagpakawala ng 3 on that last sequence si Abiog. What a game again. Everybody talagang sulit na sulit ang panonood dito sa loob ng Adnu Gymnasium at sa ating live stream. Now, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe and follow sa Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page, 1BTV48 Naga, ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Mag-subscribe and follow na para lagi tayo updated sa basketball action dito sa Bucal Season 6. Now, back to the ball game. Last 1 minute and 56 seconds for this game. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang panalong ito? We cannot tell yet kung sino ang mananalo because at this moment talagang dikit ang laban dito sa dalawang koponan na ito.
At ayun nga, Rick, at this moment, the Annunciation Panthers dapat wala ng pressure. Yung lahat ng ball possession na meron sila, talagang gawa nila ng paraan. Kasi yung nangyayari dito, tira ng tira itong ating Annunciation Panthers. So they need to make it worth it. Now let's see. 6 seconds on the shot clock here. Maru tries for a 3. Pero too short on that one. But the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ateneo Golden Knights need this one. No room for error. Instead, point conversion ang hanap dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights squad. And what a nice point conversion on cue para dito sa ating Golden Knights squad. Now, Panthers, no good on that attempt. Again, nabanggit mo nito kanina, Tin, na talaga dapat yung kanilang opensa sinisigurado dito ng kanilang players kasi kanina pa tayo nakakakita ng mga wasted opportunity. And remember, 1 minute and 13 seconds na lamang ang natitira. So there's no turning back para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito.
(57-61). Balik sa 4 yung kalamangan na meron ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Degura now, libre, getting that basket. And with that, Ateneo called for a timeout because back to 2-point lead. Itong ating Ateneo, 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining.
What a game talaga para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights and Annunciation Panthers. Medyo mahaba-haba pa itong natitirang minute and 3 seconds para dito sa ating larong ito. So again, Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan i-secure ang hawak nilang lead. While on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, no room for error and dapat secure at ma-shoot talaga yung mga kanilang pinapakawalan dito sa kanilang offense ang pinapakita kasi yun nga kanina ang dami na ditong opportunity na nasayang on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So let's see dito sa natitirang oras na ito kung magkakaroon na ba ng magandang clutch game itong Annunciation Panthers or will the Ateneo Golden Knights continuously dominating this ball game.
Now it will be the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. With this possession, they can widen that gap against the Annunciation Panthers. So let's see the next sequence on what will happen here. Now, Belano with the ball. Last 57 seconds of the game. Abiog. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Now Sarmiento. Back to Abiog. Abiog now. Pass on the inside. Sarmiento full of mid-range jumper. No good. Offensive rebound. Belano now. Papasok sa loob para steal. There will go is to the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And at this point, they can tie the game or take on the lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yan ang aabangan natin dito. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng overtime or magkakaroon ng clutch game. Itong Annunciation Panthers, 31 seconds remaining. And what a game para dito kay Ditura. 61, deadlock tayo para dito sa larong ito, and a timeout called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights again. What a game. Paulit-ulit ko lang sinasabi, I'm wowed on this situation right now. Annunciation Panthers and Ateneo Golden Knights really showing all of us na talagang hindi tayo bibitinin sa larong ito.
And Ditura, talagang isa sa mga key players itong Annunciation Panthers during the first quarters of the game. Hindi natin nakikita yung magandang laro niya. But now, they can really open or they really open that opportunity on their side. At ngayon nga na we are on the deadlock of 61, they need to focus now on their defense because it will be the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So they need to make sure that this possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights hindi papasok and they can get the win here this afternoon. Napakaganda kasi, Rick, nung naging momentum dito at change of momentum ng Annunciation Panthers kung kanina sila yung medyo hindi nakakahabol dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero umarangkada sila during the third quarter of the game and even sa fourth quarter na naging sunod-sunod na at nakuha nga nila yung kanilang kalamangan against the Ateneo Golden Knights. But now, let's see, as this the ball possession of the Ateneo with the last 25 seconds of the game. Now Belano taking their time here. 15 seconds on their shot clock. Will it be the Ateneo or the Annunciation Panthers? Now Abiog with the ball. Passes on the outside. Belano now tries for three. No good. Ateneo pa rin. May hawak ng bola. And now with the 2 seconds, Esquilona releases a three. And we've come to an overtime of the matchup of the Ateneo and the Annunciation Panthers. This matchup, hindi pa po tapos. Because, ayun na nga, hindi nakuha ng Ateneo yung puntos na yon. At sa ating pagbabalik, another 5 minutes of this matchup yung ating matutunghayan po only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back for the overtime on the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the Annunciation Panthers. And at this point of the game, it will be a thrilling and intense game as we watch here as the Ateneo and the Annunciation will get their third win this afternoon. So now let's see here as this the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights is still from the Annunciation. And first basket para dito sa ating overtime. Another 5 minutes of this intense game. Now Ditura with the ball. Nahihirapan sa depensa ng Ateneo. Now Balaoro with the ball. Goes inside. Chooses to go in.
What a play para doon kay Balaoro. Again, deadlock. 63 all on our scoreboard. Talagang napakainit ng bakbakan between these two teams na naghantong pa nga sa overtime. 4 minutes and 17 seconds remaining para dito sa larong ito. Now, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga loyal viewers na talaga namang intense din kung manood dito sa napakagandang matchup ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Shoutout dito kay Veronica Nacario at kay Lizlyn Habala. Thank you so much. And I think ready na mag-report dito ang courtside reporter ng Golden Knights. Shen, ipato mo na yan.
Well, Tin and Rick, kailangan ngayon ng Ateneo na mag-double effort, tsagaan and be aggressive in a positive way to execute their play properly. Ika nga ni Coach Mac, gawin nyo na ang lahat. Yan lamang ang quick update dito sa side ng Ateneo. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Jen. At this moment of another 5 minutes of this matchup, they need to do everything now. Ateneo Golden Knights from the offense to the defense. Kailangan na nilang gumawa ng aksyon. But at this moment of time, the Annunciation Panthers is really also giving their all. At para marinig natin kung ano nga ba yung paghahanda nila dito sa ating overtime, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Patuloy nga ang magandang matchup dito at nag-overtime pa dahil dikit ang score. At dahil nga nag-overtime, ito na ang chance nila na makabawi at maiuwi ang panalo. Sila nga ay nanalangin at pinaalahan na ibigay at ibuhos na ang lahat because this is their chance for them to get the win against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Maiuwi kaya nila ang panalong ito sa Sorsogon. Yan ang ating dapat abangan for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, Annunciation Panthers really need to win this game according to their head coach. Talagang kailangan nilang umuwi ng Sorsogon ng nakangiti. At mayroong 3 panalo dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. But right now, Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. Masyadong makulit ang depensang binibitawan dito ng Annunciation Panthers, but a shot clock violation was called on the Ateneo Golden Knights, pero magkakaroon tayo ng review on that last sequence kung pasok ba ang shot clock, ang points na yon rather on that span of time. Let's see. At aabangan natin dito sa sasabihin ng ating mga officiating officials. Now 65-64, 1-point game everyone. 65-64. Napakagandang performance ang pinapakita ng Golden Knights and ng Panthers. Talagang sinasabayan nila ang init sa labas ng ating venue at this moment.
And that's a good thing para din dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Dahil during the first quarters of the game, hindi natin nakita yung full potential nila. Pero ngayon, gumawa sila ng paraan para magbigay ng napaka-intense at napakagandang laban. Hindi naman talaga agad nila binigyan ng pagkakataon itong ating Ateneo na mabilis na makuha yung kanilang pangatlong panalo. At humantong pa nga po yan sa ating overtime. At habang hinihintay po natin yung decision po ng ating mga officials is if pasok po ba yung last basket nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Pasalamatan lang din po natin ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat sa Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Laban Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated, at ang ating Bucal sponsors na Bigs, Elise Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havianas, and Ngoen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, thank you so much po for our sponsors. Now, on the side of Panthers, I would like to commend Detura because on the latter part of the fourth quarter, talagang sinabi ni Deturang, it's my time, it's a showtime para dito sa kanilang kupunan, forcing an overtime laban dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. So a player to look out para dito sa Annunciation Panthers at dapat bantayan ng ating Golden Knights. Meanwhile, on the side of Golden Knights, Abiog and the rest of this Golden Knights squad really need to step up big time if they want to get their third win here sa ating Bucal Season 6. Ayan, pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga viewers. We have Michiko Importante, Lizlyn Habala, and Jake Adam Malate Badong. And shout out kay Lizlyn Habala na nag-take ng kanyang exam.
So, basket not counted on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And this intense matchup continues dahil isang puntos lamang ang hawak ng Ateneo. At dahil dyan, medyo nakakakaba. Will it be another timeout or another overtime para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan? Yes, with that defensive rebound. Pero he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Both teams are now on the penalty. Now let's see. Yes, kailangan nila itong dalawang free throw na ito. First free throw was good. Tie at 65 all. 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Let's see if they can get this 1-point lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights after the second free throw of Diaz. Now Diaz for his second free throw. That's good. Now let's see what will be the answer of the Ateneo Golden Knights after this Annunciation Panthers takes on the lead. Now Belano with the ball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Now passes on the other side here. Goes inside but blocked by Esquilona. Good defense here. But it will stay on the side of the Golden Knights with 11 seconds to shoot. Bautista passes now. Pero wala pa rin dito. Pero yung depensa dito ng Ateneo, kitang-kita mo talaga. Hindi nila hinahayaan itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, Balaoro to try. Diaz was there to get it. And he will be back on the free throw line for 2 shots.
So ito yung mga mini errors na nakukumit ng Ateneo pero mayroong malaking impact para dito sa kanilang gameplay. 67-65.
No Ateneo. Loses it, but it will stay on the side of the Golden Knights.
Now Ateneo Golden Knights need this one. They need a point conversion right now. What a great point conversion nga dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan, deadlock at 67. Ano ang gagawin ulit ng dalawang kupunan na ito? Magkakaroon ba ulit ng overtime? Or will the Panthers snatch this game? Or the Ateneo Golden Knights get their third win dito sa ating Bucal Season 6? Yan ang aabangan natin. Meanwhile, Detura stepping on that free throw opportunity sa side ng Panthers. And first attempt was good. What a clean basket para dito kay Detura. Let's see on his second attempt. Clean basket. Again, nabanggit ko kanina si Detura on the side of Panthers. Pang late game pala itong si Detura on the side of their team. Talagang nasa kanya ang momentum on the side of Panthers. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights. Belano, no good on that 3-point attempt.
Now Esquilona secured that ball para sa kanilang side. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Now let's see here, Detura with the ball. Now goes inside for a layup, no good.
Abiog securing that rebound on the side of the Golden Knights, but Panthers napakalikot ng depensa. And with that, Annunciation Panthers getting the lead at this moment. Wow! Napakagandang panapos para doon sa last sequence na yon sa side ng Panthers. That's why Coach Mac mapapatawag dito ng timeout. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights? They need to double their effort at this moment because 1 minute and 14 seconds na lamang ang natitira sa ating laro. And remember, nasa kanila kanina ang momentum mula first quarter up until the third quarter. So, it feels like a deja vu nga doon sa nangyari kahapon on the matchup between the ACLC and NCF. But we cannot conclude yet kung sino ang mananalo at this moment because 71-67 ang nasa scoreboard natin and mahaba-haba pa ang 1 minute and 14 seconds. Let's see dito sa naging timeout ni Coach Ma kung ano ang magiging adjustment ng kanyang players. Or makukuha nila kalamangan or magkakaroon sila ng error. Yan ang aabangan natin. So back to the ball game. Ball possession ng kanilang kupunan.
Now, Rick, dito nga sa ating larong ito, napakaganda nung naging depensa ng ating Annunciation Panthers. So let's see what will be the gameplay here of the Ateneo Golden Knights to bring back the momentum on their side with 1 minute and 14 seconds. Just like what you've said, 1 minute and 14 seconds is too long para dito sa ating larong ito. But now let's see if they can really make a point out of it. Ateneo on the offense, but Balaoro steals that ball. Let's see. Balaoro with an easy layup, getting that 6-point lead of the Panthers. Now Sarmiento pass to Abyog. Abyog ngayon titira ng 3. No good.
That's the spirit para dito sa Annunciation Panthers, talagang kumapit para dito sa larong ito. 44 seconds remaining. And ball possession ng kanilang kupunan. Maru was blocked, but the ball will remain on their side. Again, 73-67 everyone ang nakatala sa ating scoreboard. Change of favor at this moment. Talagang napakagandang clutch game ang hawak ng ating Annunciation Panthers, and Ditura ang naging leader dito sa kanilang kupunan. And right on cue, Ditura magkakaroon ng 2 shots here para sa kanilang kupunan. 73-67, no good on that first attempt. Again, the Ateneo Golden Knights, no room for errors.
Now, this their ball possession. Bilana now, nagmamadali na dito. Passes to Yap. Yap goes inside. Pero he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots after that foul called to Balaoro. 29 seconds remaining with a 6-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Let's see if they can easily snatch this win on the side of the Ateneo, or the Annunciation Panthers will go home to Sorsogon with a win. First basket was good para dito kay Yap. 5 puntos.
Meanwhile, Ateneo Golden Knights kumakapit para dito sa ating larong ito. Talagang ayaw nilang ibigay ang panalo on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 29 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. Ano kayang magagawa dito ng Adnu Golden Knights squad? And another foul was called on the side of this Annunciation Panthers squad. Isa pang free throw opportunity para dito sa Adnu Golden Knights to lessen the gap. Lead basket. And a timeout was called on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Talagang ayaw ng bitawan ng Panthers dito ang kanilang momentum at kalamangan. Napatawag nga ng timeout to loosen up at magkaroon ng magandang panapos dito sa ating larong ito.
Now, 29 seconds remaining here, 73-69 with a 4-point lead coming from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Kung kanina ito yung naghahabol na Panthers, ngayon naman, ang Ateneo Golden Knights yung kailangan gumawa ng paraan dito if they really want to get this win. Because 4 points sa loob ng 29 seconds, magagawan pa po ng paraan. But If the Annunciation Panthers decided not to, talagang dire-diretso na yung kanilang magiging momentum dito. At maraming salamat po sa nag-aantabay sa atin, sa mga supporters po ng ating Annunciation Panthers na kahit wala po sila dito live na live sa ating Ateneo Gymnasium, andyan sila nakasuporta through our live coverage. And of course, ang mga fans naman ng Ateneo Golden Knights na simula, umpisa, andyan para magbigay ng suporta at determinasyon para dito sa team ng ating Ateneo. Now it will be the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers with the last 29 seconds of the game. What will happen now between these two teams? Will it be the Panthers or the Golden Knights? Ball will stay on the side of the Panthers here.
Four-point lead ang kailangan ditong habulin on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 27 seconds remaining for our overtime. Now, another 1 point was added on the side of this Annunciation Panthers squad. On the side of the Golden Knights, they need perfection at this moment if they want to prolong this match. Detura, talagang pinapahirapan dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights ni Detura. Ayaw niyang padikitin ang score. 75-69 on our scoreboard.
Now 26 seconds remaining. Abiog now with the ball of the Golden Knights. Passes to Bilano. Bilano now goes to Sarmiento. To Yap. No good. Panthers now with the offense. But a whistled foul there. 15 seconds remaining of this overtime. 75-69. Now let's see. Maru now, kailangan na maipasok yung kanyang dalawang free throw dito to really make sure that they can go home with a win. Because it will be hard for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights na habulin pa yung puntos na ito ng Annunciation Panthers with only 15 seconds. Now, Maru for his second free throw. 76-69. 7 points ang hawak. Make it 8. Now with the remaining 15 seconds, let's see anong gagawin dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Belano tries for a 3-pointer. That's good.
Now Belano nagpakawala ng 3 para dito sa last seconds na natitira sa ating laro. What a game! Nothing to be ashamed if you're on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights for having and giving us a good fight between these two teams. Now, on the side of this Annunciation Panthers, what a turnaround of events. Talagang trabaho at hindi sumuko itong Panthers para makuha ang kanilang pangatlong panalo. 78-72 on our scoreboard. 6 seconds remaining, everyone, para dito sa larong ito.
Ayan, tinrabahuhan ng ating Annunciation Panthers yung panalo na meron sila ngayong hapon na yan. And now, with that 1 second remaining, we can finally say that after the overtime, the Annunciation Panther goes home with a win. Their third win for this season of Bucal. What a great game we've watched here. Again, congratulations si Ateneo Golden Knights dahil magandang laban din po ang ibinigay nila sa atin at sa ating pagbabalik po. It will be our best player of the game only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Tigers Café 3, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. What an exemplary performance coming from Annunciation Panthers Juniors. At sila nga ang nanalo against Ateneo Golden Knights. At ang ating best player of the game, jersey number 30 with 24 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 7 steals. He is none other than Nachi Balaoro. Hello Nachi, what a game against si Ateneo Golden Knights. Anong nararamdaman mo na naipanalo ninyo ito dahil during the first round, natalo kayo and ngayon bumawi kayo?
Sobrang masaya po kasi natalo namin sila.
At dahil yun nga, grabe, ginalingan mo. Matanong lang kita, ano ba yung personal adjustments na ginawa mo? Dahil kanina alam naman natin na lumamang sila during the first and second quarter. Ano ba yung ginawa mo na nakatulong sa team para kayo yung lumamang?
Magtulungan lang kami mga teammates, tsaka magsunod lang sa coach namin. Ano po?
Nachi, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gustong batiin.
Shoutout nga pala sa pamilya ko, lagi sa aking sumusuporta. Sa kala Ma'am Jane, sa teammates ko, tsaka sa jowa ko.
Ayan, thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. That is Nachi Balaoro, jersey number 3 of Annunciation Panthers of Bacon, Sorsogon. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Chin.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 13, Balaoro. Napakagandang performance po ang ibinigay niya ngayong hapon against the Ateneo Golden Knights after that 4 quarters and 1 overtime. What a great game coming from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Kaya naman Rick, mamaya po abangan niyo ang ating juniors division. It's the STI Olympians versus the USI Falcons. Kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Canzo Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta. Tutok lamang sa iba't ibang games pa dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.